In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Todoist. This is a quick but really useful skill, especially if your projects change over time and you want your workspace to stay organized and clear. Let's start by opening Todoist on your device. You can do this either in your web browser or in the app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in Todoist, look at your list of projects on the left-hand side on desktop or in the navigation menu on mobile. Take a moment to find the project you want to rename. It might help to think about why you're renaming it. Maybe the project has evolved, the current name is too vague, or you just want a more consistent naming system. A clear project name makes it much easier to find what you need later. Now, once you've found the project, move your mouse over it if you're on desktop, or tap on it if you're on mobile so it's clearly selected. You should see an icon with 3 small dots associated with that project. On desktop, this is usually to the right of the project name. On mobile, you might need to tap the project first to open it, then look for the 3 dots at the top of the screen. These 3 dots represent the Options or More Actions menu. Click or tap on those 3 dots. When you do this, a small menu will appear with several choices related to that project. Among these options, look for the one labeled Edit. This is the option that lets you change details about your project, including its name. Go ahead and click or tap on Edit. Once you're in the edit view, you'll see the current project name in a text field. Click or tap into that field, delete the old name if necessary, and type the new name you want. Aim for something short, clear, and descriptive, so that when you scan your project list later, you immediately know what this project is about. After you've typed the new name, confirm the change. Depending on your device, you might see a Save or Done button, or the change might save automatically once you click away. Make sure the new name now appears correctly in your project list. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your project in Todoist using the 3 dots menu and the edit option.